Hey guys, Richard Oki here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Adplexity to make money with your Clickbank campaigns. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Adplexity spy tool so you can creep on some super affiliate campaigns and give yourself a boost when it comes to making money with Clickbank. Before I get started, I just want to let you know that there's a free training if you're interested in affiliate marketing. If you're running a business or you're looking at running an affiliate marketing business, check out the link in the description below. But anyway, so now, if you want to use Adplexity, there are certain ways in which you can best make use of the software, okay? So you can just use the tool and you can just put in a search and then that's it. However, you're missing out on a lot of gems and you're going to be seeing a lot of trash campaigns too. Now, there are three main ways in which you can best use Adplexity spy tool so you can actually find the campaigns worth spying on. I'm talking about the super affiliate campaigns. Now, if I look at my notes here, the first thing you want to do is you want to keep this section on newest. So newest here. And what I'm going to be doing right now before I get into it is I'm looking for campaigns that are fairly new, but at the same time, these campaigns have proven to be worthwhile for the affiliate. So the affiliate is running the campaigns, they are spending money on the campaigns, however, they have gone past the testing period. And I'm going to show you exactly how you would need to implement your search filter to find that, okay? So before we get started, the first thing you want to do is you want to scroll down. Whoops, I will be careful with these spy tools. Sometimes they pull up a lot of adult rated content, all right? And we don't want to get into that. This is a completely PG YouTube channel. All right, what am I looking for? Affiliate network. There it is, Clickbank. There you are, perfect. Well, right now I'm in Adplexity native. Inside Adplexity push, there are a lot more, I would say, adult campaigns that you need to be aware of. In case you have kids or OAPs around that do not want to see that stuff. All right, so we've got Clickbank selected. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and we want to press, well, put on this filter. And you want to put it between 7 and 10 days, okay? So I'll just put let's say 8 days. I think that'll be good enough. That's fine. And you can leave the maximum, that's fine. So essentially what we've done now is we are essentially filtering out campaigns that are new on the Adplexity spy tool. So Adplexity has recently found these campaigns. So these campaigns have recently started running, maybe for 8 days or more. And at the same time, even though these campaigns are new, they've got past that 8 days point, all right? So what does that tell you? If an affiliate is running a new campaign and they've ran it for at least 8 days, that indicates that either the affiliate is now profitable or they have seen some potential in the campaign that they're spending time doubling down on it. All right, and now because when you're using a spy tool, you are not copying and pasting and just doing that strategy, which I hope you're not doing because you don't really make much money out of that. When you're using a spy tool and you're looking at these new campaigns, and you're looking for inspiration, at least now you know these campaigns have passed that initial testing period, okay? So you need to make sure that you do have that days running set to between 7 and 10 days. For this to work properly. So this is how you find essentially the freshest campaigns inside of inside of Adplexity, but the campaigns that have also gone past the testing period. So if I just scroll down, these are all Clickbank offers. I can see a lot of offers that are being run, I guess, in Spanish-speaking countries. Cool. This easy trick can protect your colon. So that's like a health related offer. So there's quite a lot of health related Clickbank offers that are being run on native. One simple fix stops hair loss and regrows new hair. Cool. And the traditional diabetes type ad with the egg. They love eggs in that niche. But yeah, So that's one way that you can find, and that's typically if you want to find fresh ideas, fresh creatives. Now I'm going to show you another way in which you can use the spy tool, but now what we're doing is we're looking for campaigns that are showing a little bit more longevity, all right? So we want to keep the 7 to 10 days, but we want to put a maximum number of days to 20 to 30. So let's put like 25, all right? And that's going to start filtering. And what we want to do is we want to select the received most traffic option, all right? So what this is now doing for us is now finding campaigns, and obviously if you have a specific niche that you want to target, you're more than welcome to obviously put it the keyword and then, you know, select in ad info and put in the keyword. But for now I'm just keeping it open. But what this has now done and what this is doing for us now is it's finding campaigns that affiliates have sent a lot of traffic to within a short amount of time. So between, 8 to 20 to 25 days, yeah, that's it. These affiliates essentially have sent a lot of traffic. So what does that indicate? That these campaigns are potentially profitable and the affiliate is trying to scale, and it's, increasing their media buy, increasing their spend. So most likely the campaigns that you're seeing here are essentially profitable campaigns, all right? But at the same time, the affiliates have spent a lot of money on those campaigns, which means that some of these creators may potentially be burnt out, all right? However, what this does is it gives you inspiration for campaigns that are, or even creatives that have proven to do well. And that's very important, okay? Okay, so next you want to look at campaigns that have a longevity in terms of how long the campaigns have actually been running, but at the same time we don't want to find campaigns that are essentially branding campaigns, because sometimes they can get mixed into things, all right? And branding campaigns, just to be clear, they're campaigns by advertisers who aren't, doing media buying as affiliates. So these could be big brands, all right? And sometimes the data from the native ads platform, from Adplexity's platform, can get mixed up and jumbled in together with the, I said jumbled in together with all of these campaigns that we can see here. So I'm going to show you exactly how to make sure that the branding campaigns aren't mixed up with the affiliate marketing campaigns. So if you go ahead to receive most traffic here, actually no, running longest, what am I doing? Running longest. And we want to remove that. We want to just focus on putting a cap on the number of days. So the cap on the number of days that I will suggest is anywhere between 20 to 40 days. And this is what Adplexity recommend as well. And this stuff actually does work. So I recommend that you do the same. So sorry, what am I doing? Yeah, so we can put 40 days as the max, and we don't need to have a min, so we can just start off with 1 day. And what this is doing is it's focusing on finding the Clickbank campaigns that have been running for the longest, up to 40 days. Anywhere past 40 days starts bringing in branding campaigns, which obviously we don't want to find. Now, what we can then do is, once you found campaigns that you're interested in, let's say you wanted to potentially run this diabetes campaign, you just select the campaign. And then now what we can do is we can look at the data in more detail and then decide if we want to swipe the flow. So let's have a look. So this media buy was running, wow, in a lot of countries. Cool. Days running, 48 days. Show more. One blood sugar trick keeps. Let's have a look at the landing page that they're using. Pretty sure it's just a standard lander for this offer. Yeah, this is a fairly common lander that's used for this specific offer for diabetes. And to be fair, for quite a lot of Clickbank offers on native or even push, these sort of landers where it says watch now or watch video now, watch video tend to do very well, because the aim of these campaigns is to drive traffic to the VSL, all right? Hence why these landers tend to do well, because they are prompting the traffic to go ahead and watch a video, and that video is the salesperson in the process, and that video is there to generate the sale, all right? So people are watching the video, they like consume, they see the problem, they see the solution of the product that the product provides, and boom, like they do really well when they, you know, to close the deal. So we can see that this affiliate, I guess they are trending downward a little bit, but I wouldn't say it's that bad. I would still like monitor how the trend is. Sometimes you may see like a directly negative trend line when you're looking at this data, and if there's a negative trend line, so you see that you know the affiliate is no longer driving as much traffic to this flow, then most likely the flow could be dying out. So if you decide to swipe it, you are jumping onto a train that is about to stop. All right, and you don't want to do that because you're going to spend all your small little budget when there's a big media buyer who's essentially just destroyed and saturated that particular flow. So that's what you don't want to do. So I would always suggest when you go into, you know, when you click through on a particular ad creative inside of Adplexity, that you don't just swipe the flow straight away. You just scroll down. Trust me, the extra 2 to 3 minutes doing this does make a big difference. So you scroll down, you just actually look at the data, and you let the data make the decision making for you. So if you see, you know, a good positive trend or at least some level of stability, then it's more likely that you should swipe that, as opposed to if there's a negative trend, then you do not want to be late to the party. All right, you don't want to be the last person to a party and everyone else is pretty much left. And that's what you'll be doing if you don't look at that data for some campaigns. And then, you know, obviously you can see that a certain device, you know, desktop, you know, certain publishers that this media buyer was essentially running the longest on. So obviously if they're running long for a while with those publishers, they are making money with those publishers. So you can put all this data together to give you a head start on the particular campaign. But if you use the different sorting criteria that I explained to you in this video, you will be able to find the best campaigns inside of Adplexity, all right? Whereas if you just use Clickbank and you search a keyword, you're going to find campaigns, but you won't necessarily find campaigns that are best for you to swipe. So it's very important that you're finding the right campaigns. Otherwise, you're going to waste a lot of your time, and obviously you're going to waste a lot of your precious money spending on traffic that isn't going to make you a penny. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out one of my upcoming videos. And something that's very important is that if you are interested in affiliate marketing and you are just starting out, or you are currently doing affiliate marketing but you're looking at taking things to the next level, then make sure you check out the link in the description below for access to a free training that will give you all the knowledge, all the key info you need to get started with a steady path on your affiliate marketing journey. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and drop something in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next vid.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.